Now reporting live from the annual African Festival, a premier event powered by Globe Productions and curated by Latif Abubakar. This 3-day unforgettable days festival is highly immersed in the vibrant culture and heritage of Africa. We'll be exploring iconic landmarks such as the Kwame Nkrumah Museum, the Pyramid of Giza, Larabanga Mosque, and thrilling camel rides. We'll also share insightful interviews from participants, experts, and thought leaders, and dive into the complex relationship between culture, environment, and sustainability. Join us as we bring to you the best in this experience, this festival, of what people think and what we've experienced so far. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Who am I here with?
Please, this is Josephine.
Great. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah, so coming to the African Festival, listening to the name or hearing the name Ghana must go. I know you are now going in to watch the play, right?
Yeah.
So what played in your head upon hearing the name Ghana must go? What do you think it's going to be about?
Oh, okay. I think organizing this program is always helping the youth to upgrade them by their talent and then improve our culture and then supported their gifts and talents. So that is the reason why I decided also to come to see how it's gonna be.
Great. So coming in here with the setup and everything, this place is looking like a community of people who are just excited in exploring the culture and kind of like taking our culture out there, So upon entering here, what did you think this place is like? I mean, yeah.
This place is like a heaven on earth. It's very beautiful, presentable, and adorable. I love it. Everything is beautiful.
Thank you very much for
Thank
your
you
feedback.
too.
Sure, enjoy your time.
Okay, thank you.
Who am I here with?
I'm Gideon Amieju.
Great. It's nice to have you here. How has your experience been so far?
Well, my experience, I have to say, has been intriguing. I was here yesterday for the Humpty Dumpty, and I'm here today for the Ghana Must Go. And I intend watching Ghana Must Go again on the Dodi Akosombo. I just naturally love everything African, everything Pan-African. It's something I love, as you can see in the attire I'm wearing. And I'm not just going to be here for the show. I'm going to stay for a while just to enjoy the dance fever, to enjoy the camel ride. Well, I'm just here to have a good day, a good night, I should say.
That's great to hear. And I'm sure before you came here, you had some expectations. And I want to find out from you if your expectations have been met. If possible, you can share one or two with us. Yeah.
To have met my expectation would be an understatement. I think it was exceeded. I just loved everything, the production. I think Latif Abubakar is doing well. She's doing a great job. No wonder she got some sponsorship from the Spanish Embassy and a good number of organizations. I just enjoyed every single thing. That is why, even though I've watched Ghana Must Go, I just can't wait to be on the Dodi Akosombo to watch it for the second time. Yep.
Great. Thank you very much for your.
You're most welcome.
Who am I here with?
My name is Na.
Nice to meet you now.
Same here.
Great. So now looking at the focus, the theme for this year, the focus for this year, which is a line of climate change, right? I want to know personally, what have you done to improve upon climate change?
Okay, so I'm actually from the western region of Ghana, precisely Takoradi, and personally, I'm part of a foundation currently in Takoradi, the Crop Nation Foundation. We basically focus on climate change and how best we can improve it. So what we are doing now is going from schools to schools, from the junior high school to the senior high schools, the universities, and we are educating them on how to preserve the environment by them knowing how to separate the plastic waste and all those stuff. So that's what we are doing currently, and it's been on for over a year now.
Amazing stuff. Yeah, so I'm looking at what's going on here, people having fun and all, but I feel like the main theme people ignore, right? So I want to know your takeaway with regards to climate change to people.
Okay, so actually it's very, very important. Like, climate change is actually a big deal in our society now. So as being here at this African festival, it's a very I don't know what to say, but I'm really impressed, and I would like to encourage and educate everyone here that from this day forth, moving forward, we should actually know how to preserve our environment, because it is our health, and our health is actually our concern. So we should actually know the things that will help us to have a better or a good health going forward. Yeah.
Great. Amazing. Thank you very much for being here. Enjoy your day. Who am I here with?
My name is Kentinka.
Wow, that's amazing. I've never heard of such a name. Interesting, interesting. I want to find out from you, right? What activity or performance or even an exhibit here has impressed you the most?
Well, basically I came to see the stage play, which is Ghana Must Go. I think I have been in throughout the start to the end. From my point of view, I think it was a great show that I witnessed. It had great storyline, and the kind of information that the play sought to send out to the audience, I think was very relevant, and it's very important that around these periods we tell these kind of stories.
Amazing, amazing. So what are some of the suggestions you can give to the producers of this amazing event to kind of like improve it?
Yeah, I think when the director for the show came up to speak, he mentioned some challenges with securing the venue and all that. I think if the relevant stakeholders are also able to come on board to support such creative enterprises or businesses to thrive, it will be very beneficial to us all as Ghanaians and the entire country, because this is a very interesting festival that we are all witnessing, and everybody here is happy, and you see it's a very big event that is happening here.
Amazing, amazing. So I hope you're going to enjoy the cultural display.
Definitely, definitely. I'm enjoying myself already, and I'm going to be around for a little bit to see the other stuff that are happening. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah, so I'm here with this beautiful lady. Who am I here with, please?
Aisha Abubakar.
Nice to meet you, Aisha.
Nice to meet you too.
Great, great, great. Aisha, are you from the north?
Yes, I am.
Amazing. So personally, right, I've experienced a lot of cultural display, and I've seen some which is quite significant to the north, you know, with regards to the horse riding, the chieftaincy stuff going on. As a northerner, how do you feel about exhibiting?
Super, like, I feel very good about it, because some of us are born here. Even though we come from the northern part of Ghana, we are born here, and some of us have never experienced our culture. So showing, exhibiting this aspect makes me happy, because I've never experienced it before. Yeah.
Amazing. So aside the cultures that are quite, you know, significant to you, we've seen the display of other cultures as well. How do you feel about them and your experience so far?
So far, well, the question again.
Yeah, so I'm saying, right, there has been the display of other cultures, right? And you've seen a lot of exhibitions going on, right? What's your experience so far? How do you feel about everything going on here? The excitement on people's faces, and are you excited?
I am, and I can see that everyone here is excited, because through this I've seen other cultures being displayed here, and yeah, everyone is happy, and yeah,
you're happy?
It's a good thing, yes.
Yeah. All right, thank you very much. Enjoy your night. Hello, Mr. Latif Abubakar.
Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I'm good, you?
I'm fine.
Yeah, it's amazing being here at the African Festival. I had a great time, you know, with the stage play and with the setup here. It's been amazing. Kudos to you.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah, so I want to find out from you, right? What's the idea behind the African Festival, and what does it aim to achieve?
There are two objectives when it comes to the African Festival. The first is to put a spotlight on African talents within the creative arts industry. I believe we have so much talents, but we don't have the platform to showcase those talents. So the brand, the African Festival, was created to help us showcase that talent to the world. Again, we felt that theater, cultural, art and music is actually a very important to champion a social and behavioral change. So we felt that let's create a platform that can help us or enable us to be able to propel that vision of using culture, art and music to champion social and behavioral change. So those are the two major reasons why we gave birth to the African Festival.
Amazing, amazing. So with this year's theme, right, Climate Action Now, where did that idea come from and why was it chosen?
So mostly we like, actually, if we want to drive social and behavioral change, we like talking about topical issues and trending issues. We realize that climate change has become a big deal. Again, we also realize per our research that the audience psyche in Ghana and on an African continent is very low with regards to climate change. So we had to also use the power that we have, which is the power of culture, art and music, to create awareness and bring people to the understanding of what climate change is all about. So that is the reason why the 2024 edition of the African Festival actually focused on climate change.
Great, yeah. So you made mention of culture, which drives me to my next question. For me, I've experienced a lot of cultural display, and I know that's one of your key points, to exhibit the cultural heritage in Ghana to the people here and the people coming from, other places, in the world and all that. So what is your message? What message you wish to convey to the people with regards to the promotion of culture?
I think that just for everybody to understand that culture plays a very significant role in the development of any country, and then of course on our development of our continent as Africa. Because people do not understand what climate change is. See what culture is doing in trying to get people to understand and appreciate. The African Festival attracts a lot of youth, so it is the best opportunity to use that platform to drive a message that the youth need badly. You understand? So that is actually one important role I feel culture is playing in our society. More importantly, we're also looking at the fact that our authorities in terms of our governments have neglected culture, forgetting the important role culture can play, not only in championing social and behavioral change, but also as a major contributor to our GDP. Their focus is not there. I feel they've neglected the creative arts industry. So this is also an avenue for us to keep reminding them that we exist and we can make a difference with regards to our economy.
Great. Thank you very much, Mr. Latif. And we hope to be here next time. That's
It's
next
an
year.
annual event, so
Yeah.
definitely. Let's see. I hope, inshallah, if God gives us lives, we will be here.
Yeah. So what should we expect from next year?
I think it's going to be big. People are saying this is wow, this is exciting, this is interesting. But next year, the plans we have, we're growing gradually. Last year was a bit smaller. This year is bigger. Next year will be something that will blow people's imagination. Trust me, there will be fun across the entire conference center. You'll love it.
Amazing. Thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your night. Now that's all from the annual African Festival, a celebration of culture, heritage and tradition, as well as climate change. Now, the 2024 edition might have come to an end, but the conversation still continues. My name is Nura Mohammed. Thank you for watching and continue to watch HAFIZ TV for more content.
Playing it again.
Hey, come and see my big side.
Let me
Right.
see from
Which group is that?
Because I can't see anything.
HAFIZ TV, unique every day.